My name is Allie Mark, and I'm a home improvement consultant with Curbio. I came to find Curbio as a real estate agent. I'd been a real estate agent in the Washington metropolitan area for about 7 years, and I had a client that had a home that was in somewhat disrepair, and she had plenty of equity in the home, but no cash to make the changes that were needed, the renovations that were needed before listing it. And I'd run comps, and I knew if she did some, then she would be able to really cash in and get a higher return on her investment. And all of a sudden, on the web, there was Curbio. So I called them, and they came out. We did an evaluation. We did about $35,000 worth of renovations before listing. We were able to list the house, and actually, she sold it in less than a month for a cash offer, full price. And she was able to net almost $60,000 more than she would have if we hadn't used Curbio. So it was a fantastic experience. Everyone at Curbio just rallied around my client, and they were responsive and responsible, and the quality of workmanship was there, and it was an incredible experience all the way around. And then I was sold.